Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the proteins, and in that we have got to know that proteins are made up of alpha amino acids. So in that case we are going to talk about the alpha amino acid, and for that we have to discuss about it. So now let us discuss about it in this topic. So friends, in this topic I'm going to talk about the alpha amino acids. So what are alpha amino acids? That is, alpha amino acids are the derivatives of the carboxylic acids obtained by replacing the alpha hydrogen atom by the amino group. So for example, we understand that is, suppose if I take a common example, that is for acetic acid, that is CH3, C double bond O, OH. So this is a functional group, that is the carboxylic acid group, and which is attached to this carbon atom. So this carbon atom is considered to be the alpha carbon atom, and all the hydrogens are basically known as the alpha hydrogen atoms. And suppose in this case, suppose if we have replaced the alpha hydrogen atom with a particular amino group, then that carboxylic acid derivative, it will be called as alpha amino acid. So for that, let me give you the general representation for the alpha amino acid, and that is CH. This one would be R. Here it would be COOH, and this is nothing but NH2. So in this case, this is basically the alkyl group, or this would be any group which would be associated with this carbon atom, and this is basically the general representation for the alpha amino acid. And why the name is alpha amino acid? Because as you can understand, because the amino group is attached to the alpha carbon atom, that's the reason alpha amino, and this is itself a carboxylic acid derivative, and that's the reason the name is alpha amino acid. So talking about this group, so this could be alkyl group or it could be any cyclic group. So based on that, let me give you a certain example related to the alpha amino acid. So friend, this is the data where we could get the different types of the alpha amino acids. So there are different types of alpha amino acids, and in that case basically, suppose if the R group is replaced by the certain, and suppose if R group is replaced by this group, so what the alpha amino acid would be called, and what are the three letter symbol? So this is what I'm going to talk about. So starting with the first one, that is, suppose if we have replaced the R with hydrogen atom, so in that case the alpha amino acid, it will be called as glycine. For example, if we have replaced the R group with CH3, so that for it will be called as alanine. And talking about this one, so this is nothing but, this is what we have is an isobutyl. And suppose if we have replaced with an isopropyl, so therefore the name of that would be valine. So in this case, the valine is nothing but it is an essential alpha amino acid. But let me talk about what is essential and what is non-essential in my next topic. But these are certain things, that is, I'm going to talk about the alpha amino acids. So talking about the other one, that is triosine, serine. So this all are the groups that could replace the R group of the general representation for the alpha amino acid, and this is what I want to talk about. So talking about the three letter symbol, so every alpha amino acid has a particular name depending upon the R group associated with it. So in that case, for example, if we talk about glycine, so glycine is represented by GLY. Suppose if I talk about the phenylalanine, so in that case it is represented by PHE. Suppose if we talk about tryptophan, so in that case we'll represent it with three letter word, that is TRP. So in that case basically, this letter symbols, they play a very vital role in, that is, in designing a DNA or in studying a particular DNA. So this is what I want to talk about related to the alpha amino acid, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.